What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with another crochet braid video. I wanted to bring you this specifically for the braid pattern. I utilize this braid pattern because it gives you options as far as parting. Y'all know I love the illusion individual braid patterns, and there's so many different ways that you can use or that you can do these braid patterns. So I'm just bringing you some stuff that you can try out and let me know if you like it. These are from Janet Collection, Nomadic twists, 20 inches. I have OET 1B burgundy. When it comes to illusion individuals, if you want it to be completely seamless, you want to get the hair color that's closest to the color of your hair. But y'all know I love me some burgundy, so I was like, well, I'm gonna do it anyways, because who gonna check me, boo? This is the hair. I use 7 packs of hair. This is very, 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 very light, y'all. It has a really unique twist pattern to it that I think you guys will probably like. So this is the hair. I have a definite middle part, okay, and I have no mirror in front of me, so yeah, I don't know what this is looking like, but I have a definite middle part. And then because of the braid pattern, I definitely should have grabbed a mirror. I have a side part here, right here, and that's the individual illusion part. There is an illusion there that these are individual box plaits, twists. There's certain styles that I like to do where I like twist this side, and pull them back, or flip it like this, twist this, pull it back. So it gives you some versatility there. And I'm showing you guys step by step in just a second how I actually braided the braid pattern. Just cause y'all asked me to. I've been listening. I've been listening. And then here's my part on this side, which gives the same effect if I want my parting to be here. And of course I have my good old middle part because I just love middle parts. So it gives you such versatile parting options, which means versatile styling options. When your parts are versatile, your styling options are versatile. When your parts are unversatile, your styling options are unversatile. Versatile. There are 105 twists in my hair right now, and it is not heavy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some good pictures out of this. Yeah. Let's get into this braid pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away. but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah. every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone